Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is August 7th. It's Friday. We've got the grains maybe starting off a little bit better this morning. Now, corn was unchanged overnight. Beans up 2 3/4 cents. Wheat up 2. Here it is Friday. We're probably going to see some positions, getting ready for a report next week. So next Wednesday, supply and demand report. Some of the expectations, probably to see tighter ending stocks than what we had before. Some of the questions that are out there is what kind of numbers are they going to throw at us as far as acreage? Are they going to shift anything? Probably not going to see any change for corn acres on this report. We can see a little decline as far as yield. USDA may have to make some adjustments and come to grips out there with, the wet start that we had to the season. But looking out at the beans, they did resurvey. That will come out. We are expecting to see just under 700,000 acre decline on this report. Now, this will be just one step. They probably will drop acres again, but it may not be until October before we see them make more adjustments. But you should see some positions getting ready for that report. Are we a little bit undervalued? We'll have to see what kind of reaction we get. Now, on beans, we did have a sale this morning, 132,000. Beans to China. Are we at a point for beans that we're finding a value in here? So that's what we really need to see. We could sit here and talk supply and get involved with that. Really, have we seen demand? Do we have demand? And if so, at what level do we see that pick up? Well, we have seen some decent sales here as of recent as far as beans. As far as wheat, we're certainly not getting that business just yet. Losing more business to Russia, Ukraine, and more of that Black Sea region. So we'll have to see what kind of reaction we get. It is Friday, probably going to see some choppy trade, so expect that here today. Looking at livestock, cattle down 25 cents to start the morning. Box beef, though, slightly lower. Choice down 2, select down 46 cents. No trade as of yet. You guys are going to be focused on that. What kind of trade will we see? We know last week we had some decent trade. But we're hearing bids at 236 in Nebraska. So maybe that's suggesting steady to maybe $1 higher. We'll see if we can get that here today. Hogs down 10 cents right now. A lot of back and forth trade there as far as hogs. Cutout value slightly lower once again. But looks like the charts right now are in control of this hog market. You get down maybe another $1 or so, you've got good support. Just as if you see that the nearby contract up over 80, you're seeing some good selling there as well. So keep an eye on that as we move throughout today. But relatively quiet here to start the morning. Stock market down 13. Crude oil dropping back again, down 45 cents. The dollar up 46. That dollar is strengthening right now. We had a jobs report out this morning. Very good. Came in actually right where they were looking for. But now guys are going to focus on, the economy looks good. Will we see an interest rate hike? And that's something that we may have to focus on here. That's giving strength to the dollar. That may continue to put pressure on commodities if we see that dollar continue to run. So keep an eye on that. Give us a call if you guys have questions. Reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have yourselves a great day. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Take care.